Careers in Real Estate. Welcome friends. In this course, we will learn about sectors in the real estate industry and income pay scale of job roles in them. It involves 200 industries with a combined turnover of 60 billion USD. Here is a fun fact check for you. The Real Estate Regulatory Authority that came into effect in 2016 enrolls all players in the real estate sector. Real estate, therefore, offers stability which even IT sector cannot. Real estate offers people. There are two awesome perks that you should know about. Significant salary packages, remarkable number of job opportunities. Sales and marketing. As any sector, real estate also has different sectors in sales and marketing with several job positions. Here are few factors regarding income. Standard package. Standard package offers start at Rs 4.5 lakh per annum plus incentives and perquisites. Growth. Growth potential of up to 5 crore per annum plus incentives and perquisites in just 10 years. In next 10 years, the cap of 5 crore may become 24-fold indexation trend. Finance professionals. Are you curious about income of financial professionals in this industry? Let's just say it is unlimited if you're using your skills well. Lucrative salary packages unlike any other industry. Rs 10 lakh per annum for beginners in finance profession. Especially chartered accountants and cost accountants who are needed for RERA certifications, audits of project cost, etc. Legal professionals. Depending on the hierarchy and the type of work you do, legal is a vast sector with a wide pay scale jump. Packages offered to legal vetting advisors start at Rs 5 lakh per annum and top at Rs 1 crore per annum. Digital and IT professionals. This sector is quite neutral in all industries. To the skill set. Real estate offers equally hefty packages for digital and IT professionals needed for generating leads. Management professionals. This essential sector is risk involved, takes away all of the time of those in it, and if you're good at it, you are irreplaceable. Tremendous scope for MBAs, management cadres such as CEO, CFO, CXO, CMO, MDs, and presidents. Packages offered to IIMs start at Rs 50 lakhs per annum plus incentives and perquisites, with a maximum potential of Rs 10 crore annum plus incentives and perquisites. Architects. No one else who has not studied in this field can do the same job. Enormous real estate work going on in India. Architects are needed at every step by every builder and every developer. Package offered starts at Rs 5 lakh per annum and tops at Rs 1 crore per annum. Product Purchase Manager. It is no surprise that projects need a manager who is an expert in that area, knows in and out, and can handle a team of professionals, delivering sales and handling customer service too. Constant demand for product purchase managers and material handling staff who are brilliant cost savers and good at budgeting and cost analysis are needed. Big construction giants even employ them in-house. Salaries start at Rs 10 lakh per annum and max to Rs 50 lakhs per annum. Liaising officers. You can specialize in education for this job for better performance and a better package. Smart negotiators who speed up compliance process, construction permissions, documents, hearings and sanctions. Hired for the posts are architects, engineers, advocates, paid heftily. Salary starting at Rs 5 lakh per annum and topping at Rs 1 crore per annum. Admin staff. In all sectors, these are the most underrated but very essential team of people who are like screws of a system, keeping records, files, Documents, planning, coordinating with professionals, bookkeeping, etc. Salaries and incentives above all the other industry standards. Site supervisors. With knowledge of building construction, laws, and project-specific research skills, these people play important role in a project getting its approval. Civil engineers and diploma holders. Job is to certify cost and stage of work for RERA purpose. Quality control and compliance. Package offered starts at Rs 5 lakh per annum and tops at Rs 1 crore per annum. More professionals. And many such people are part of real estate industry, advertising agencies, PR agencies, brand consultants, other ancillary professionals, all paid in handsome salaries and fees. Real estate truly is the best paymaster among all industries.